Yo, what's rockin', family? Today you rockin' with Rules, and of course I am rockin' with y'all. If y'all ask about my voice, just don't worry about it. Nigga, goddamn. Got the bros with me, got the fam with me, got the wife with me, got my sis with me, got the night. What? Look, anyway, we going to the mountains today, y'all. Just a little flight vlog. I do have content coming for y'all soon that I just haven't recorded yet, so sorry about that. But nigga been on the road doing shows and shit. But yeah, man, we on the way to the lit spot. I be posting this shit all the time, but nigga be like, "Where you at, Brandon? What you got on? What you got on?" Don't worry about it. All right, anyway, so look. Shit, what y'all gonna be seeing today is probably like a couple clips of us like sliding through the mountains and shit, getting up there, going to where we going, and then the walk, the hike, you know what I'm saying, and then probably like, you know, our spot and that. But y'all get cut off because y'all need to be talking a lot, you know what I'm saying. I be festivities and a lot of festivizations. But definitely for sure though. But yeah, you know, I forgot what the fuck I was about to say. Oh, definitely though. I was about to say, y'all niggas need to get out y'all house and do something with y'all fat, lazy asses. You don't gotta be fat to be fat, bro. You can be fat mentally, you know what I'm saying? But do something, bro. Like, get outside, do something, go somewhere else. Live life, bro. You can't just stay behind the computer screen and stream. Weirdos. Gotta fucking see the world. Get your fucking money up or your funny up, nigga. Anyway, I'm through with that. We'll see y'all on the road, though. Yo, what is rockin', family? Look, it's Rules again. Rockin' with the family, still. I go to all the fam. Look, we done made it to the spot, though. This that for us. This where we come to get serenity and everything. Peace. Everybody be asking us where it's at, but you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying, bro. Come on, man. I can't give y'all that, G-Dog. Oh, illegal festivities going on in the background. Just a joke. All just a joke. Everybody's painting on the rock. Everybody paints on these rocks, you know what I'm saying? So we just come out here to see the art and look a little bit at the scenery. But this is what I mean to y'all. And look, even we got a fire going on. My bro Caleb on the fire. Real fire. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes you just gotta enjoy nature for what it is. Enjoy the peace of things. Enjoy life. Look at the fire. And it's safe. You see where it's at. It's real safe. Can't touch nothing. We all on the rock. You know what I'm saying? You know, after the shows and shit we've been doing, man, we need this peace. We need this life. We need this. Let us know we still human, because all the stuff we be going through sometimes, man, it just be dragging. Just be dragging, man. You go. Shit, shout out to DJ Ghost. DJ Ghost, the one that said, goddamn, get with your family, man. Do stuff with your family. You know what I'm saying? I aspire to be like him. He's a cool ass dude, you know what I'm saying? He be getting shit done. Bruh. Yo, hold the camera for me, bro. I gotta fix this.
Yo, what's going on, y'all? Rodney and Caleb in the building. I don't know if it's still filming. Yeah, but shit, whatever my brother just told y'all, we here, nigga. That's what's going on. So, yeah, that's just going. Stay tuned, you know what I'm saying? Where the fire at? Yeah, what's up, fans? What's going on, man? Hey, sir. Hey, well, at least y'all know, shit. If push come to shove, if we ever gotta goddamn live off land, hey, it's an extra nigga y'all know y'all straight with.
Get that thing off the fire, boy. Furnish wood in there.
Word, shit like that. I just grab some more of that rubbish right there, put it on top, get it big.
Burn it, and then we gonna break it when it gets
Mm-hmm.
It's a good fire. Shit like this, we could just grab
That bark was really gonna keep it going once them little limbs get to burning for real.
Shit, matter of fact, I throw.
But you can cook off this already.
You got some steaks?
Hell nah. Should have brought some sausage.
I ain't gonna lie, we should have brought some steaks.
Some Roger Woods.
Yeah. You wanna see some art, man? I'll show y'all some art. Look, man. There's a lot of... Hey, bro. We got extra wood right here for the fire. This right here. It's a nice piece. I don't know who did this, but it's a nice piece, though. Hold on. See it? Can you see it? That's a nice piece right there. I don't know who did that. I don't know who did this either, but that's a nice piece too. That's a great piece right there. Nope, that's I don't know who did that, but oh Lord. Oh damn. It's all good and copacetic. Somebody did that right there. That's a nice piece too. This is a nice piece. It's great. Yeah, I did. I showed them. Man, it's just about peace and serenity, man. All right, y'all. So we've made it back. Well, not made it back. We are on the way home from our travels today. The fire went out. It's cold. We hunted. We saw a lot. We actually on the trail back right now. This is what we're going through right now. See it? Oh my God. Sorry, y'all. That's what we're going through right now, though. Oh my goodness. Oh my good God. Anyway, howdy. How are y'all? I don't know if I'm doing some weird, crazy stuff like flipping this camera back and forth. But, you know, hold on. Gotta put my pants up. But I have decided today, for myself rather, that I'm gonna be a cowboy. I'm gonna be a cowboy today.
Okay, that's what I'm saying.
Oh, they thought I was gonna leave. We're out in nature exploring the roots of gravity of nature and stuff. But I tell you this. Today, from here on out, I did decide I was a cowboy. So, the way I'll be approaching things will be a little different. I'm just fucking with y'all. I broke my leg, though. Walking with this cane.
Not the cane.
From nature.
What if I kick it?
What the fuck is that? Maybe it ain't no me. Maybe it ain't no me. Now we got to squabble out here. This is what we walking through. Look like heaven, huh? Coming into the light.
Yeah. I'm gonna have to race you to my man.
Look at them. They're so beautiful over there. They look good over there. They look like a good couple. They didn't photo shoot. I don't want to die out right here. Hold on, so I'm gonna get right. I'm just trying to wait till we get to the right spot so I can show y'all what I can reap some nature that I benefit fruitful from. This is it. This is everything that I'm right here. This is all my land. All my visit.
Oh shit, look at the fucking man.
I only let these people visit on my land, on my property. People just be visiting. Look at it. This is all my land. This is all my land. Every single piece of this land that you see is mine.
I am, bro.
Y'all can't see that mountain out there, but it's so beautiful. It's all my land. This is all my land, y'all. Everything's so peaceful. I let people visit on my land because I'm nice. Hello, man.
Look your ace.
This is all my land.
You look so pretty.
Yes, yes, beautiful.
Are y'all
beautiful.
taking pictures?
Wedding time.
I'm sorry, I love photography. Oh no, you're good.
I'll leave this stick right here. Y'all remember, that's my stick right there. How's everyone today, though? Everybody's good. I hope everybody's good. In life, bro, we go through things. But what we gotta do is figure out what the hell we want to do. That's all. When you be down, when you be sad. Oh, where did she almost bust her ass? When you be down, when you be sad. Just figure out what you want to do, man. Like, in life, we as humans, we as people, we as, like, natural people who go through things in life get discouraged. And a lot of times we can't figure out what we want to do in life, and we be stuck. Figure out what you want to do with yourself first. That's how you gonna do it. You gotta figure out what you want to do with yourself. It's not easy. Nobody knows who the fuck they want to be by tomorrow. That's the shit you gotta do. How y'all doing? Well, if y'all would have seen that triple beam scheme I just walked on. How y'all doing? Hello, hello. They don't respect us anyway, but look, we on the way back, man. We just enjoyed the mountains. I don't know if y'all like rivers and shit, but got a river for y'all to see. Just enjoy the mountains and everything, man. We're gonna catch y'all on the next one. Not the next one, but I'm gonna catch y'all on the trip down.